The accused, who are in custody, appeared briefly before the Durban Magistrate's Court. The state's indictment outlines the charges and details on how the accused allegedly acted to carry out the murder of the musician. In the indictment, the state says the accused all acted with common purpose. Lindukhuhle Mkwanazi, who the state alleges was found with an illegal firearm, has been identified as being one of the shooters outside the Wish restaurant in Florida Road, where Forbes and Motsoane were gunned down. The state says they are in possession of video evidence which shows Mzwithemba Gwabeni, the alleged mastermind of the plot, following Forbes from King Shaka International Airport to the restaurant. The state says cell phone records also indicate evidence of consistent communication between Gwabeni and the other accused, until the murder was acted out. The state says it is ready to proceed with the trial.
We will be facing the charges as outlined in the indictments, which your attorneys will discuss with you. At a glance, I see there are 1 up to 11 counts that you will be facing. You are to remain in custody until then. Thank you.
Meanwhile, also present in court was the legal representative of 2 other suspects being linked to the murders in Eswatini, brothers Siyabonga and Malusi Ndamande. They are challenging an order for extradition to South Africa to face murder charges.
I'm basically here today for a watching brief, but to answer your question specifically, it's not a matter of them not wanting to be back into the Republic of South Africa, but it's a matter of whether or not the proper channels are being followed and the rule of law is being upheld. You will understand and note that extradition has to go through different channels. There is a requesting state, there is the requested state. So there are certain channels and forums that need to be followed to see if the process is done properly. Yes, of course, there are technicalities that are also involved when we come to the legal aspect of it, which I won't really be comfortable to divulge now because, the matter is still sub judice.
The accused face multiple charges, including 2 counts of murder, conspiracy to commit murder, attempted murder, and the unlawful possession of firearms and ammunition, among others. For SABC News, I am Jade Paulser in Durban.